Designing your own garment is as easy as ABC. From our homepage, select a garment of your choice. Click on Decorate to self-design. You can upload your image from your computer, your Facebook account, your Instagram account, or from our collection of images. You can also add text to further personalize your garment. Once you've selected your design, you can scale it up, scale it down, rotate it, and even center the image correctly. Make sure it fits inside the design area for perfect printing. At this point, you can change the color and size of the garment. If you do not have time to complete the process, you can save your layout and continue later. Once you are done with the decoration process, confirm size and quantity. Check out and you're good to go. Hope you enjoy designing your own garment, and if you have issues checking out and making payment through PayBill, follow our next tutorial on payment and checking out. Thank you and have a good time.